What does it take to become a successful real estate investor? Now, I want to share with you the habits that all of my real estate investing students implement into their lives, and as well as what I do when I'm investing in real estate. Now, there's plenty of ways to do this business wrong, so I'm going to walk you through the habits that help my students do this business right. Now, hey guys, my name is Dustin Heiner with Master Passive Income, and I want to share with you how to quit that JOB, that just over broke job, by investing in real estate rental property so you never ever have to work a job again. Now, I coach lots of, actually hundreds of students how to invest in real estate. We buy rental property after rental property. They make us a minimum of $250 a month or more in passive income. That's where you work one time and get paid over and over again. But we scale our business. We buy more properties than probably a lot of other investors. Now, I'm going to share with you the habits, the successful habits that my real estate investing students have and implement into their lives. And the first way is taking action. My students take action, and I do this in my business as well. See, now there's a thing called analysis paralysis where you're analyzing so many different properties and you're getting so confused because you're looking at areas of the country to invest. What about this property? What about that property? What about this realtor? So much information going through your brain. But what we do is we take action. And a big reason why we can take action is because we get education first. Then we learn how to find the right properties, how to manage the business, how to build the business. And then with coaching, I actually coach a lot of students, hundreds of students, how to invest in real estate. And as I'm coaching them, we take action. So we analyze a property. We analyze this entire area of the country. We look at property managers and we make decisions based on past experiences as well as coaching, as well as other investors. And with the education and analyzing the properties in that area, you're going to be able to take action because as you know all the properties in the area, what they are selling for, and you put offers on them, you're going to be able to see when a good deal comes on the market. When you see a good deal, you're going to jump on it and take action. As I'm going through this entire list of all these habits that my successful real estate investing students have, think about your habits. Put them in the comments below so other people can see them. Now let's jump into the next habit. And the second habit that all of my successful real estate investors have is that they let everyone know that they are an investor. Everybody they meet, all their friends, all their family members. Now, it's not sleazy or salesy, like, hey, everybody, I'm an investor, come give me money or whatever like that. No, you're just in casual conversation. Instead of telling them what you do for a living, if you meet somebody and say, hey, what do you do? I don't say, well, I work for this job, I work for that job. Even when I said, no, I'm going to start telling people I am an investor. And over time, you're going to have a lot of people know that you are an investor. I've been an investor for 15 plus years now. I have so many people that want to invest with me, that want to give me money, that want to sell me their properties because they know I'm an investor. So that's a habit you must have, that every single time you meet somebody, you're telling them, because what's going to happen is going to turn around where over time, you're going to have so many people realizing that you're an investor and they're going to want to invest with you. And on top of saving, the third thing that my successful real estate investors have as a habit is they're constantly learning. They're constantly learning how to analyze properties, how to find more money to buy the property. They're learning how to find better property managers. They're constantly learning. They're constantly getting on YouTube channels, like watching all of my YouTube videos. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and like this video. Helps everybody else to see that you can invest in real estate, but always be learning. Now, the fourth thing that you're going to be doing is always be analyzing properties. Let's say you're analyzing it, let's say Memphis, Tennessee, or Springfield, Illinois, or someplace like that. You picked a specific city. Your goal is to know every single property for sale in that city. You need to know it like the back of your hand. You're like, oh man, I know that property. I looked at it 2 weeks ago. I know that property. It's been sitting on the market long. Oh, here's a brand new property. Here's a great deal. Because as you're analyzing properties, you're going to know what a good deal is, especially if one passes you by and it gets sold out from under you. You're like, oh man, I wish I would have bought that. Those are good deals. And then when you see that next one pop on the market, looks just like it, you can jump all over that. The next habit that my successful real estate investing students and I do is we put in a minimum of 2 offers in every single week on different properties, maybe 3 to 5. The more offers that you put in on properties, more likely you're going to get a yes on a property. Now, when it's a seller's market, it's much harder to get prices lower, capture the equity when you buy it lower. But we still put in lots of offers because we're not twisting somebody's arm to make sure that they're going to sell the property to us. No, what we're actually doing is we're giving them an opportunity to sell the house, and we're giving our best offer. And if it works out, they're going to sell it to us. And the next habit that my successful real estate investing students do and put into their lives is they look for private money. Private money is friends, family members, aunts and uncles, or business acquaintances or coworkers. If you remember habit number two, we're telling everybody that we're an investor. When we are telling them that, they are getting in their brain that, oh, hey, Dustin might be somebody I can lend my money to. If I lend my money to them, they can make me money. So what we're doing is we're always telling people that we're an investor, but at the same time, we are also making sure that we're providing an opportunity, saying, hey, we also look for private money. If you want to lend your money, we'll give you a fantastic interest rate. It'll be better than anything you can get at any bank. So you want to be looking for that as well. Look for private money and always be asking people if they would be interested in investing with you. And another habit that my successful real estate investing students have is that as soon as they buy that first property, they immediately buy that second property, like literally within a month or 2 months. Because here's the big thing that you need to remember. As we build our real estate investing business, we're building the business. As we're building the business, we can scale the business by buying more inventory. A property is a piece of inventory in your business. As you buy that next property that goes into your business, that is actually growing your business, but your business is running itself. You're not having to do extra work because you have everybody else, your property managers, your contractors, roofers, all of them are doing the work for you. So we scale the business, we make sure that we're buying more properties, and then we buy our second property really, really fast. Our first property takes us maybe 6 months. The second property usually comes within a month to 2 months right after that. And another habit is we are always looking for good deals. We're always watching. We're getting wholesalers. We're getting other inspectors. We're getting other investors. We're getting property managers. We're getting even title companies sending us deals because the deals that come into our email account or whatever, those are how we find better properties to buy and make money. And if you implement these habits into your business, and also comment below, let me know what habits you put in your business, and like this video, start investing, get started. I'll see you guys in the next one.